With the all-new Teacher Library area, you'll be able to quickly access and assign from our library of over 3,000 books right from your teacher dashboard. Let's check it out. You can find the library by selecting Teacher Library from the left-hand menu of your teacher dashboard. Clicking on Find a Book, here you have access to the entire library of over 3,000 books. You can use the search bar above the display window to find a particular title or topic. Using the filter dropdown, you can also access a variety of filters including reading level, Lexile level, reading age, and grade level. Once you have your filter set, you can use the sliding scale to narrow down your search. In more filters, you also have access to sorting by genre and special additional filters like phonics and Spanish. Clicking on a book, you can read it right from within your teacher library. You can project your screen and use this function to read together with your class. Like sorting your books? You can do it here by liking a book with the heart button or adding it to a collection using the plus button. Here you can add the book to a new collection using the Create New Collection feature, or add them to a collection you've already created. Let's go to the My Collections area to view the liked books. You can find it at the top of the teacher library or in the left-hand menu underneath Find a Book. Here in My Collections, you can see all the books you have liked and organize them into collections. For example, you can make a collection of dinosaur books to match when you discuss dinosaurs as your topic in class. Then you can easily share this collection with individual students or groups of students. This is a great tool for topic work, guided reading, or even book clubs. Let's go to the student console to see how it looks. Here in the library, students can find these collections at the librarian's desk. Unlike assignments, students can choose the books they want to read in their own time and at their own pace. Even better, research shows that giving students a choice over the books they read helps them develop a habit of reading for fun. So jump in and try out the Teacher Library today.